Do 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 do. How's it going, guys? How you all doing? Hope you're okay. Hope everything's fine. I hope life's treating you good. Me again. Me again. I've already done this video once, but I only show you half of it. So I thought, no, I ain't doing none of that. So I deleted the whole thing. I'll show you it very, very quickly because I'm running out of time. It's 1:45. But as you know, I can't cook stuff until kids get back from school. Okay, tonight, classic homemade pizza. From scratch, dough, make your own dough, do your own toppings, then we're going to make it. Love it. Stick all the toppings on it, make your own fresh dough, which I've done already. Anyway, cut long story short, I'm going to be very, very quick with this because I seem to keep taking half hour to show you something that's 10 minutes because I'll go on too much. Anyway, right, this is to be very careful. You're going to need the following ingredients for your dough. Ready? Steady. Go. Right, you're going to need 375 grams of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 7-gram sachet of fast-acting yeast, ready mixed, ready done, and whatever. You know what one I use, the obvious one in the yellow pack. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and last but not least, 225 millilitres of warm water. That's all you need for your dough. Okay? First thing you do, grab a big mixing bowl, put all your dries in, your flour, salt, sugar and yeast. As soon as all your dries are in the bowl, then add your oil and your water. Turn it all around, all over the place until you get yourself a dough ball. That's it. That's all you need. That's all you need to do. You can use it straight away or you can keep it and use it later. Beautiful dough, works absolutely perfect. Lovely fresh stuff. Now, because I did my one a while ago, you can use it straight away, and the recipe I've just given you is for you to use it straight away. If you've seen this, I started, when you make yours, you'll end up with a dough ball, probably about the size of a grapefruit. Are you ready? Probably about the size of a grapefruit. I made this probably about an hour ago, an hour, maybe hour and a half ago. Are you ready? This was the size of a grapefruit. Look at the size of that. Look at the size of that. That was a grapefruit. It's like the size of a bloody dinner plate. Okay? So you know you've done it right. Okay? So when the time comes when we'll grab that and we use it, all we're going to do is just grab hold of it, put the top off, punch the air out of it, turn it over a couple of times and then use it straight away. Okay, so, so that's your base, okay? Beautiful base, that's going to be light and fluffy, crunchy around the outside, it's going to be delicious. Okay, yeah. Okay, spread a little bit of flour on a baking tray, or if you've got a pizza plate or whatever you're using. I'm going to use this. I'm going to make the pizza to the size of this tray. That's going to make the pizza like, oh yeah. I'm going to make a pizza to the size of this tray. Some people sprinkle oil on it, some people sprinkle a little flour on it. I'm going to do a little flour to keep it dry, but I don't want it too floury because otherwise the flour's going to take your pizza off and it's going to have flour stuck to it. So, not very good. So, I normally, myself personally, I normally just put a little olive oil on it just to, who cares? Anyway, as long as it comes out okay. Anyway, I'm going to eat it off the tray as it is. I'll just cut it as it's on the tray. Alright, so that's your dough. Your dough's done. Alright, next thing is your toppings. Okay, now you can use any toppings you want, as you know, for any pizza. This is the way I do it, okay? As long as you can see it, I'm going to turn them around because you can't see them in the pots anyway. Turn them around like that. Okay. Turn them around like that. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, the toppings I've got is milk ball, delicate mozzarella cheese, which I've just squeezed the water out of it and just broke it up into little bits and pieces, which is now like that. Milky, creamy, love it. Mozzarella, ordinary grated cheddar. This is hard, whole milk, hard mozzarella, so soft and hard. Pepperoni, as you can see. I've made my own tomato based sauce. Beautiful, smells delicious. In here, olive oil, salt and pepper, teaspoon of oregano, dash of Worcester sauce, and then a little garlic. And then to bring it up in level with the tarty bitterness of the tomato, I've brought it up with honey. So it's now sweet but tomatoey with the oregano and the garlic and everything else coming through. So that's the onion sauce, beautiful bit of sauce there. Nothing's been cooked, so that's your base. And then last but not least, your meat and veg. Meat and two veg, as I say. Okay, always cook your stuff off. Never stick anything on a pizza that's raw except for pepperoni and cheddar cheese. Or and cheese, because if you put this stuff on raw, 9 times out of 10 your pizza will burn and this stuff won't be cooked. Okay, see if I can remember, because I've stuck everything in now. Okay, a little minced beef, a little teeny bit of minced beef which I seasoned with salt and pepper and a little smoked paprika on it. Seasoned beef, sliced ham. Yep, sliced ham I used. I used sweet corn, mushroom, a shallot, and I used all 3 peppers, slice of all 3 peppers, a green one, a red one, and a yellow one. Okay, little olive oil, little seasoning, and as you can see, that's been cooked off. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. And that's your topping. So you've got your beef there, you've got your couple of meats there, third one being a pepperoni, so that's the toppings we're going to put on. You just cook that off, just to sweat it off so you don't end up with no, because you've got water coming out of that one already, which I'll try to squeeze the crap out of. Okay, and you're going to have water coming out of that as well. Okay, that's it. That's all, because I'm not going to mess around, because I keep taking half hour to tell you something, you know, and I keep going on every 2 minutes, don't I? I'm bleeding old man, and I. Alright, so, I can't believe the size of that, it's like bleeding football. Alright, anyway, yeah, it's the size of my frying pan. Anyway, okay, so, 10 to 3, I've got to go and pick the sprogs up from school, everything's all done and dusted, I've shown you how to make your base, you go and get all your toppings ready, don't forget, cook your veg, your peppers, your mushrooms, your meats, your sweet corn, just don't have to cook them completely, but just cook them enough so that they're soft and so that everything will evenly cook in the oven, you know. That's it, that's all you really need to do. Okay, when I come back from the kids, because I've got kids out at, what's the name, after school clubs today, so this will be later, and this only takes half hour, I guess more 5 to 6, 20 to 30 minutes depending on what happens with it, what you've got your cooker, and just keep an eye on it anyway. Alright, so I'm not going to do that until I get back from school, but when I get back from school, we'll get back. You go and make your pizza base now, get your tray ready or whatever you're going to cook it on, get all your ingredients ready, and we're done and dusted. Don't forget, there's a certain way of putting these on. Okay, people just grab hold of a pizza, grab hold of a base, or make meal and just throw everything on and stick it in the oven, and then wonder why it comes out either burnt, or everything's raw, or everything's cooked, and the dough comes out burnt, because you've messed the ratio up and you've messed the way everything goes. Okay, so believe it or not, even though it's only a bleeping pizza, this is actually a certain way of doing it. Would you believe? Anyway, enough of that garbage. Alright, so stay there, take care, see you when I get back from the kids, alright? Don't go anywhere. Okay, right, I'll back, let's do this. Right, grease tray. Let's do it. Put that there. Look at that dough, love it. Alright, let's do it. Let's carry on, baby, let's carry on. Right. Push that. Get your ear out. We'll go down. Right. That's it. Wet, love it. Wet in it, it's been in there a while. Okay, it's pretty wet that, isn't it? It's pretty sticky. It's pretty sticky, pretty gooey. Pretty sticky and pretty gooey. Right, now, what we're going to do, we need to shape it. It's pretty sticky, I don't understand that. Anyway. Now what we're going to do is bit shape on my thing, on my tin. Now we're going to try and spread it. You alright, darling? We're going to try and spread it now. Famous pizza dough. Turn it over. Spread it all out. You want to make a nice big one. We don't want it too thick. We don't want it too thin, do we, Mrs. F? No. Nice day at the office, my lovely. Like that, is it, darling?
Yeah.
Oh, good split, wasn't it? Okay. doing, my beauty? You alright? Missed you today. Missed you today. Okay. How's that? We good? Oh, we good?
Very nice.
Yeah. Kick it off my there's a beer there. Right, that's it. That's your dough done. Let's spin it up. What I'll do is I'll put it back to show you. Might be a minute, Missy Franks. I know you just come in. Right. Okay, let's put the bowl over there. Put that there. Okay. First things first. Our homemade tomato sauce that we made earlier on. We're going to put some of that on. Not a lot. We just want to spread it around. Now you only want to go just up. So you leave about a 1/4 inch on the edge. What you don't want to do is go all the way up to the outside, because what we want is for the outside of that to go crispy. I'll just see what I'm doing. Not too much. That's it. Excellent. Lovely jubbly. Alright, just get that little gentle smooth over. As I said, because we've used tomato puree, it will be very strong, so you don't want to coat it. So that's it. There's your tomato base. Okay. The first thing we start off with a pizza, people just think that you grab hold of the ingredients and just throw them on. Did you know that, Mrs. Franklin? People just think that you grab hold of just the ingredients and you just throw them on a pizza. Yeah? You shouldn't do that. Because what you don't do is put anything raw on a pizza. You always pre-cook your stuff first. Obviously not your pepperoni and your cheeses, but certainly any veg and any meat you're going to put in, always pre-cook first. Pulls all the juice out of it, pulls all the water out of it, because the last thing you're going to want is a gungy, soggy pizza. Okay, first things first, we always stick the light base on first, the plain cheese and tomato. So first thing you can do, you can either put your grated cheddar on, or a little bit of muzzy. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of, just sprinkle a little bit of muzzy on, like that. We'll stick the stuffed one on first, the base. That's it, just grab hold of it and just squeeze it with your fingers. It's fairly, you don't want a lot, it's just, you know, that's it, there you go. It's that one. Yeah, we're good. Leave the mozzie there. Right, then we want the hard mozzie. So again, just a quick sprinkle. Like that. Just a quick sprinkle, don't want to go too mad. There's certain people that call these pies, believe it or not. Pie. Bleed them's pie. It's a pizza. Anyway, that's that crap. Okay. So we'll go around there with your mozzie. That's it, so we'll chop it off with a little mozzie in a minute. Okay. And that is basically cheese and tomato pizza. Or what you call it? Margarita, isn't it? Yeah, that's basically a margarita. Okay? Alright, we're good. Okay, so the next thing we're going to put on is your meats. But you know you've cooked everything. So just give that a gentle tap. Same again. Grab all of your meats, everything you've cooked, all your veggies, and just sprinkle it on. You know what you've got in there, don't you? You've got your ham, your beef, you've got your corn, your peppers, your onions, your garlic. Look at this, tell you what. Go and get this from Domino's. Hey, what's the other one, girl?
Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut. You ain't going to get this from Pizza Hut, that's for sure. Not these amount of toppings. There's 10 different ingredients in this. That'll cost you a bump, 10 toppings on it from Big Domino's or from Pizza Hut, that's for sure. That'll cost you a bleeding fortune. Alright, anyway, that's that. Just a couple of tissues. Right, that's that. Okay, now we finish it off with the last of your meats, which is your pepperoni. So, pepperoni. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there. 1, 2, 3. And just one there in the middle, one there, one there, one there, one in my job. Right, that's it. And then last but not least, a bit of your cheese. So your normal grated stuff underneath.
Potato. That's good. Lattices.
Look at this. This is a killer, isn't it? This is a killer. Look at that, Lars. How about that? The old man does it good, doesn't he? Don't be too enthusiastic, will you? Alright, cool. Last but not least, for a little
Wait, is this
hard
soft
muzzy.
dough?
Oh, proper pizza dough. Made from scratch. I'll give you a bit in a minute. Here, look.
I was going to put it on.
No, I don't want it on. You can have it. No, I've got it. Last but not least, a little bit mozzarella. Oh. Pepperoni's lovely. Okay, guys, and that is it. That's it. Right, that's it. Put that to the side so you can see what we're doing. And there you go. That's how to make one homemade pizza.
Mummy, look how I've grown. Look at me.
Love it. Look at that.
Mummy, look how I've
That's
grown.
gorgeous. Okay, in the oven.
Mummy,
Gas mark 5,
look how
gas mark
I've
6, 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know when it's done anyway. It's not going to take long because all your flour and water is to dough, right? Ready, steady, go. Oh yeah. Okay. See ya in about 20 minutes. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Right guys, we're back one final time now. One final time. It is now 30 minutes later. Gas mark 6. Are you ready? Are you steady? Let's get the worst Budweiser out of the way. Go for it, girl. You should be down in that. Trying to cheer up some bad day at the office. Alright. I've been down in loads of vodka and hooch. You know it. Alright. Got me. Your roller ready? Okay guys, are you ready? Are you steady? Let's get it on. That's the pickles. Oh my goodness. Oh look at it. Come on guys. Come on, don't tell me that that's not delicious. Are you ready? Are you steady? Go. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. There is nowhere,
It's delicious home.
anywhere, you're gonna get that pizza. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Put that down. It's a bit hot. It's a bit hot, love. Right, let's put that down now. Where's my cutter?
Hi, pigs.
Straight there, right, Pick Lily?
Yeah.
Straight down now. One.
What's this music?
Just in time, babe.
Oh, yeah.
So, don't know how we're going to cut it, but I'll just cut it in the strips.
Right, pigs. Ready?
That's it, around the outside. Get the corner off. Look at that. Crispy dough. Around the outside. Right, you can lift it if you want that, see it? Just you put a little bit of oil on the pan. See, that doesn't happen with flour. That's it, done. Okay, now out of that pizza, as you saw, I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 slices of pizza out of that tray. Alright? Done. And that's how to make homemade pizza. You need any help? Need anything? Let me know. Other than that, that's it. Say goodbye, people.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye. Don't know what I'm doing next time. You have to wait and see, won't you?
Bye.
Okay, but what I always say, bye.
Stay
Take care. Mind how you go and
Stay safe.
stay safe. Bye.
Bye-bye.